Hey you guys, it's your girl Yvette here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using an old school technique. I'm going to be using hot rollers. I bought hot rollers from Target. This is the Remington Pro brand. The box this size for 20 rollers retails for less than $30. These are ceramic rollers. They take only 90 seconds apparently to heat up. They come in a space-saving storage unit, so it's very narrow like this with 2 rows of rollers stacked on top of each other. You get 2 sizes of rollers. The only thing that I'm worried about with this is this, I feel like this clip could potentially create a crimp in the hair, but we will see. Just to let you know, I actually reread the instructions. I don't know how I missed this the first time around, but it says for best results, heat for 3 to 5 minutes. So initially it says it only takes 90 seconds, but for best results, 3 to 5 minutes. I pulled one out and it didn't feel that warm to me, but I'm gonna go ahead because it is past the 3-minute mark. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning this piece off and setting it. And just to let you know, I'm really not that good at setting my hair, so it's probably not going to look that great, the technique, but I'll do the best that I can. So I'm gonna start with the bigger rollers on the bottom of the hair and then put the tighter ones at the top. So I'm gonna put it midway and then I'm gonna wrap these ends around the roller and then I'm gonna go ahead and roll all the way up and then put the clip on. And remember, my hair is not starting from a blown out state, so it's going to have a lot more fuzziness than if I were to have blown it out prior to, but I don't want to do all of that heat on my hair. And the other thing is I'm probably going to speed this up so you guys don't have to watch me struggle through this whole process. Then I'm going to roll up and then I'm going to put the clip on. I don't even know what it looks like, if there's any uniformity to it. So I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes or at least until they feel a lot cooler on my head. I think it's time to take them out. Obviously I'll start in the back. Keeping my fingers crossed. I definitely got bouncy curls. I don't know what the scalp looks like, if there's lots of waviness in there. There probably is. And trying to get some of them out was a little difficult just because maybe the way I wrapped it around and it was kind of like sticking to the outside of the roller and I had to pull it. So I got some frizz. Yes, I have not seen my hair this bouncy in a long time. So to bounce like this is pretty cool. I'm gonna try to style it now and see if I could get it into a way that I would actually wear it. Because right now, this is definitely dating me with the gray hair and these kind of curls. When I initially pulled out those rollers, as you saw, I felt like I was looking a bit like a little church lady with those tight little curls. So I needed it to calm down. I parted my hair down the center and twisted it up into 2 little buns above my ears. Then just went about my business, got dressed and everything. And then I brushed it out using a brush like this, and I feel like I lost a lot of the curl on this side mostly. This one is kind of maintaining it, but this one kind of went flat and the ends are looking a little straight and dry. That of course could be because I did not use any product, but overall I have to say I really like the way that it looks. The Remington Hot Curlers was definitely a good purchase. I feel like it's so much better than using a curling iron or a flat iron. Now I don't have to blow my hair straight using, you know, the Revlon One Styler, which is fantastic, but that's really good, I feel like, for making it straight. But when you want a little body to your hair, this was definitely a good choice. I'm so glad that I got them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.